Welcome to AzureDirect.com, your place to start with an Azure proof of concept that will be the foundation of your foray into the cloud. Here at Azure Direct, we start your cloud journey with a small foundational experience that you can test and develop into your ultimate goal. We start small and introduce you to proof of concepts that will work across different industries. We look forward to taking a measured approach and achieving your goal to evolve and take advantage of the latest technologies available.
Now that we have that, we're going to get into our next, we're going to create an availability set. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So what I want you to do is go ahead and click on create a resource. Okay, and then inside of here, we're going to go ahead and type in availability set, right? So all we have to do is type in the first three. We're going to click on availability set, right? And then we're going to, when we get to this button right here, we're going to go ahead and create the availability set. Okay, super important to have this because we can have multiple availability sets in different regions. You have to be kind of thinking about this. I like availability sets in one region, but you could also have or two. So it's a bunch of different ways of thinking about this. I like to have them in different regions. However, you can have an availability set that has a virtual machine in the US East, but also a virtual machine in US West to do a failover point, right? So you can actually fail over and use those together. So there's a bunch of different ways to set it up, but super important, we have to do this. So now that we're in the wizard, okay, it's going to do the same thing. And this one's going to be very easy, right? So we just go down to subscription. We already know that. We're going to go to our resource group, right? And we're going to click on the Azure resource group, okay? And then we're going to give it an actual name, okay? So I think this one's going to be Demo Lab VSET 1. So Demo Lab VSET 1, okay? We want to make sure that we have the regions, okay, the same region as we want to be consistent. You don't want to ever deviate from that. And then the fault domains, right? So they share a same common power source. We're going to keep it at 2, and then the update domains at 5. Okay, and then we're going to use manage disks, yes, and then we're going to go over to advance. Okay. So we can do proximity groups too. We're not going to do that today, but as you can see here, advanced is actually, we're going to see this tab a lot moving forward. This one's just kind of the shortest view. And then you have tags. We can go to tags next, and this is what we talked about earlier. And let's go ahead and click on review and create. It runs the validation. We're good. We have this. Awesome. Let's go ahead and create it.
Welcome to AzureDirect.com, your place to start with an Azure proof of concept that will be the foundation of your foray into the cloud. Here at Azure Direct, we start your cloud journey with a small foundational experience that you can test and develop into your ultimate goal. We start small and introduce you to proof of concepts that will work across different industries. We look forward to taking a measured approach and achieving your goal to evolve and take advantage of the latest technologies available.